Hello, this is Embrace Darkshade. It's August 16th, 2017. I still found a little bit of super early bird Halloween stuff at Ross so far. So today we're going to try to find some more stuff. Like pot holders, stuff for the kitchen. I got these. They're like $5. You get both of them. This is like got the rubbery front and back. This is this year. This was last year's. This is whenever I'm washing that, I can just have those. That's what's going on there. There's a bunch of stuff last year I got from either Target, Spirit Halloween, Walmart, Ross, places like that. So like I have all this stuff that I set up. I got this yesterday from Ross. It's a candle, the Dulce de Leche, which is actually pretty cool. This is like $6 or $7. It's not a cheap one. But I thought it was pretty cool. But that's pretty much it so far. Like typical stuff that I would find. Target doesn't have anything yet. Like these glass things here. You can put whatever in them. They're real glass. Got a wooden top. This metal bird buddy. Got that from Walgreens actually. This candle stand. That's from Target. This candle, which I've been burning a bunch. It's pumpkin spice. It's pretty good. Little skull buddy from Spirit. This right here, which is a hourglass. That was from Target. There was also a white one. I think it had a skull or like a spine instead of snakes. And this right here, which is a giant wax skull, almost life size, not exactly my head, like little kid head. Whenever you melt it, which I don't really want to, but it bleeds red. The inside wax is red. And then, of course, skeleton cat of unrealistic anatomical proportions because they don't have ears. Skull would look like that, pretty much. There's these are cheaper at Target. Well, at least they were last year. They're about $15. They don't bend or anything. The tail is bendy. That's it. And then there's all black ones. There's also owls, rats, snakes, sometimes bulldog and other creatures like that. But I'm going to try to go to Big Lots. That's one store I didn't go to last year. I didn't go to Big Lots. That's what we're going to do today. And hopefully I'll get some good footage or at least see what's out there so far. Dragon. There, that was Big Lots #1. Is actually a pretty good amount of stuff. I'm going to try to find Big Lots number 2, possibly Ross stores, and if there's other ones, since I'll be over there, since they're kind of somewhat together. I think both of these stores, although it's 2 different businesses, they kind of just put a little bit out, and then it sells down, and then like way later on, like September, they'll get another chunk of stuff. So we're going to see. So far I got the that doormat. It was on the bottom. I'll do a haul video at the end of this with like the spiderweb heavy duty doormat. Since somebody stole my other one, maybe they won't steal this one, or maybe it won't blow away, because the other one I had was too light and it basically blew away because I'm living in an upstairs apartment. But we'll see what other cool stuff we're going to find. Alright, different Big Lots. The real horror, the broken one. I have no face.
I see everything, even what you're thinking.
And they have these fancy 50s, like, old lady hats, or headband hats. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna quit shopping for Halloween stuff because it's like 95 degrees and I'm dying. So far, I went to 2 different Big Lots, 1 Ross, 1 Burlington Coat Factory. All of them have a little bit of stuff. I also went to Walgreens. Everybody has at least a little bit of Halloween stuff. Walgreens didn't have any, but they have empty shelves with all the back to school shoved over. That's what's going to be what's coming up next. Then I'll show a haul video at the end. It's going to be like, here's a little bit of Halloween stuff, but here's mostly just cool, cheap, good finds I found. So this is going to be my haul of random stuff. We're going to say it's gothically inclined because almost everything I bought is some form of dark themed black thing. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm finally home. Here's the haul of the stuff that I got today. Okay, I got this cool eyeshadow from Big Lots. They have some really cool deals there. A lot of it's like LA colors and they're really cheap stuff. It's like $1. This was $2.80. Not bad. I don't really have purples at all. I actually don't think I have any purple eyeshadow. I had a really cheap one, but it fell apart. But there's that. Kind of to go with that, these were like $1.20 or so a piece. The Sinful Colors, which is one of my favorites. I'm actually wearing the purple over black because I want to double them up. And then I have a silver one. I also have a silver and black speckles one that's Black Heart Beauty from Hot Topic. I think these two would be really good top coats over black or over silver or over just pretty much any of the colors I have, especially with the silver. I can put it over anything. Got some lotion. Need that lotion. Not that exciting. Highlight of the day. I mean, there's a lot of highlights of the day. Was I got these cool shoes from Burlington Coat Factory. It's probably a staple in most women's shoe collection, but I don't have any heels like this because I wear a size women's 10, and you can't really find women's shoes or any kind of girly shoe in a 10. They actually had these all the way up to 12, 13 when we start getting into the drag queen shoe sizes, which is awesome. And these were only $20, which is cool, and it says comparable value 40, so give or take on that. I tried the 10 and the 11. The 11 actually does fit, but it was a little bit, just like a couple centimeters too small, or too big right there on the edge. But that was pretty much what I got today. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Let me know if you like stuff. Just walk around with me in various, trying to find Halloween stuff stores. Probably going to do more videos like this. I kind of like them. There's a few YouTubers that I watch that do things like this. I think it's cool if it wasn't so hot outside, since it's like 95 degrees still. And I went to go see my boyfriend on lunch, but the entire 30-minute lunch break is pretty much getting in the turn lane, waiting in line for the food, eating the food while you're in the turn lane to get back, and that's it. He works at Spirit Halloween, and he's building the stores right now, so this will all lead up to a future video. Not promising anything, but I would like to do a future video of multiple Spirit Halloween stores if there is any differences. Yes, there is. I used to work in them last year, and I was a floater of the stores also. They have like an Area 51 theme this year, which is different, mixed with Jack Skellington. So let me know if you want to see that. Not promising anything, because I don't promise anything because I never deliver, as you guys know, since I've been on here for years. But just let me know, and rate, subscribe, bye.